Good evening, everybody. Dubs here, and this is box break number 110, 12-13 artifacts from tonight, Friday, September 20th, 2013. And here's your list of winning bidders. All right. On our roulette board today, we have the following chips. We are orange 34, green 32, green 30, 26, and 22. We've got orange on 20, green on 15, orange on 11, green on 7, 5, and 0, and 00. So if at any time during the break you want to, if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away the associated card. Our green chip card for today is a Peter Holland Phenoms rookie card from Limited, last year's Limited, 11-12, and our orange chip is a Matt Donovan rookie silhouette from Rookie Anthology. So if we spin the green chip, we'll give away the green chip card. If we spin a orange chip, we'll give away an orange chip card. And if we spin both, we'll give away the orange chip card because it is the higher chip value of the two. Okay, our short straw bonus cards for today are as follows. We've got an oldie, an Upper Deck game jersey of Keith Tkachuk. Keith Tkachuk for the Blues. We've also got a rookie rivalry of Thomas Kubek and Ryan Ellis, as well as a freshman signatures of Peter Holland. So those will be heading to 3 individuals who failed to get a hit during the regular portion of the break. And here's our box of artifacts. Now, before we get started, we will spin the wheel to see. Oh shoot! I forgot to update my prize board. Or I'll do it on the floor, or I'll compromise in a little bit. Okay, we'll spin the wheel to give away a team for free. So here's our spin. And that is going to be team number 19. I'm going to jot that down. 19. All right, and the team behind number 19 is going to be the New York Rangers, and that is DJ and Ella's mom. So congrats, Aaron. I'll refund the Rangers to you in a little while. Okay, pen, Rangers. Okay, so here's our box of artifacts, and here is the serial number. NE 189566603. It's a Devil's box tonight. All right, there's our packs. Put half of them there, half of them there. Empty box. I'll try to save the thickies for last. Here is pack number 1. Good luck, everybody, and here we go. We've got Kessler for the Canucks, and our first strike of the break is Akim Aliu for the Calgary Flames, and Sean 1989-77. That one is numbered 943 out of 999. So that's going to Sean. And as our first strike winner, I will get out a pack of 11-12 Elite for him in just a little bit. Stahl for the Penguins and Shanahan for the Red Wings. So this pack is for you, Sean, for the first strike bonus. Sean, 1989. Alright, there you go. That's your first strike bonus winner. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot to add. Since the season hasn't started with the Team Canada cards, should we pull any? I will be using the teams from last season since the season hasn't started yet. So just to clarify that one before anything happens. Our next pack here, we got Johnny F-Bomb Taves up top for the Blackhawks. Then for the Blackhawks, we've got a Rookie Redemption. And I'll just check my list here. And that is looking like it'll be going to, it'll be Drew LeBlanc. So that'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. Spacer. Backstrom for the Capitals, and Malkin for the Penguins. Our next pack features a spacer. We got Curry for the Oilers, Linden for the Canucks. Then we got an Autoflex for the Dallas Stars. It is Tom Wendell. And that is heading to Sean, 1989-77. There's a better view of it. Then we got a spacer. And Dennis Savard for the Blackhawks. Ooh, we got a thick one. We're going to save that one for last. We got Datsuk for the Red Wings. And we've got a goalie parallel of Steve Mason for the Columbus Blue Jackets and DJ and Ella's mom. That one is numbered 388 out of 999. And for the Crazy 8s bonus, we got double 8s. We'll open up 2 packs of 11-12 Elite. Spacer. Gretzky for the Kings and Duchesne for the Avalanche. 2 8s, 2 packs. That's pack 1 of bonus Elite. We've got Bissonnette for the Coyotes, Shattenkirk for the Blues. We've got a die cut of Lidstrom for the Wings, and that'll be heading to Crunch 38. Bufflin for the Jets and Parise for the Devils. And our second pack, which feels a little bit thicker because it looks like we have something. Ooh, we got something. Burrows for the Canucks, Kessel for the Leafs, Kane for the Jets, Skinner for the Canes, Horton for the Bruins, and for the Toronto Maple Leafs, it is a prime numbers jersey swatch card of Cujo. That'll be heading to Sean, 1989-77. That is the left side of the 3-card combo. So there you go, Sean. Oh, and that is numbered. Come on. 58 out of 454. And because I like that 8 at the end, and it's a nice card, I'll open up one more. This one doesn't seem as impressive. Stasny for the Avalanche, Letang for the Penguins, Setaguchi for the Wild, Anderson for the Senators, and Varlamov for the Avalanche. Okay, second half. Alright, we've got Robitaille for the Kings. And we've got a dual jersey treasured swatches of Simone Gagne for the Kings. 2 white swatches, and that'll be hitting 2 all 4 kinds, and that is not numbered. Spacer, followed by Neely for the Bruins. Then we got Colton Orr for the Leafs. And we've got another goalie parallel. It is, Thomas Mokoun, numbered 588 out of 999. 588 out of 999. So Crazy 8 strikes again, and we will be opening up 2 more packs. We got a Spacer with Subban and Sedin for the Canadians and Canucks, respectively. Okay, 2 more packs. Let's see if we can get anything in these. This is a sweet box. I like these 88s. This one doesn't feel like much. Oh, there's a dot cut in it. Erickson for the Stars, Pietrangelo for the Blues. For the Avalanche, Paul Stastny die cut going to Sean 1989-77. And Bobby Ryan for the Ducks and Callahan for the Rangers. And the next pack. We've got Hiller for the Ducks, Legwand for the Predators, and we've got a autograph. It is George the Pornostash Peros. Elite signings for the Anaheim Ducks and DJ and Ella's mom. On sticker auto and not numbered. So cool stuff there for bonus packs. Martin St. Louis for the Lightning and Keith for the Blackhawks. Okay, we've got Sharp for the Blackhawks, and we've got Sharp again for the Blackhawks. It is a dual swatch, 1 red, 1 white, and that is numbered 115 out of 125, and that'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. Followed by Spacer and Taylor Hall for the Oilers. Alright, we got Franzen for the Red Wings, Ovechkin for the Capitals, and we got a rookie of Jake Allen for the Blues, and that is going to Craig Duke, and this one is numbered 253 out of 999. There we go, heading to the Blues. Then we got a Spacer, and Dino Ciccarelli for the Minnesota North Stars into the Dallas Stars. Alright, then we got Green for the Capitals, Stafford for the Sabres, and a Team Canada card. It is Wayne Gretzky, Emerald, 73 out of 99. So we're going to have to play a little randomizer here as to our retired players rule. So I'll set that one down for just a sec. Spacer and Francis for the Leafs. Okay, so as per our rules, a retired player, the list of teams he played for is randomized, 1 team for each year, as long as he played over, what was it, like 16 games or something in a season? Let me just check quickly what I have written here. For For example, Wayne Gretzky played for the Oilers from 79 to 88, 9 entries. The Kings from 88 to 96, 8 entries. And the Rangers from 96 to 99, 3 entries. Gretzky played for the Blues during the 95-96 season, but logged less than 20 games and thus is not included. There we go. So I will pull up a randomizer chart on 643. And we will randomize the list 3 times. Okay, it's in here now, so I'll switch my screen. I don't know if you guys can read that at all. It's kind of, zoom in. Okay, so we got Oilers up top, down to the Kings and the Rangers, 3 Rangers. So I will randomize those 3 times, and the team up top will be the one that gets the card. So here's the first randomizer. And the Oilers on top, Oilers on the bottom. Round 2, Kings up top, Rangers on the bottom. And last time, the Kings are up top. So all 4 kinds will be bringing home the Gretzky for himself. So that one's into you, Chuck. I'm just going to make a note of that. Gretzky to Kings. All right, and our last pack with the thick one. Okay, we've got Alfredson for the Senators, Nash for the Jackets. From the back, Carter for the Kings, Bork for the Bruins, and we've got a dual patch, Tundra Tandems for the Calgary Flames and Sean 1989-77. This one is numbered 31 out of 36, featuring Jay Bouwmeester and Mika Kiprusoff. Bouwmeester's patch features a little bit of red, yellow, black, and white jersey. And Kiprusoff's patch features yellow with a little bit of black thread just popping out there. So that one will be head to you, Sean. All right, that is our box of artifacts. Just need to minimize my screen again. Okay. All right, now we'll be heading to the prize board. Okay. So because I forgot to do something during my little break, in between breaks, and I will show you in just a second. So here's our list. We got that one open spot there because I forgot to take out all of the Cody Eakin Prime Rookies spots from the board. So if we pull an Eakin, we will just spin another number and keep revealing until we hit a card that's not Cody Eakin if we hit him. So that's what will happen there. So I'm going to recover the 10 and we will get to spinning. Okay, so here's our spin for the prize board. So close. And that is number 27. So spot 27 here is not a Cody Eakin, so no worries there. Alright, we are going to be giving away an 11-12 Rookie Treasures of Patrick Weirkoch. And here's the card that we will be playing for. Rookie Treasures featuring a red and black squatch. It is numbered 420 out of 499. And we will spin the wheel one more time and see what team will be getting that one. So here's our spin. And that is going to team number 2. And team 2 is going to be right here. Patrick Weirkoch going to the Carolina Hurricanes and Codfishy. So congrats, Codfishy. This one will be heading your way. All right, and our short straw cards here. We've got Kubalik, Ellis, Kachuk, and Holland. So those are our short straw cards. In recap, the teams down below the line are teams that got hits during the regular portion of the break. So we will scooch them off to the side. And the remainder of the teams are going to get placed in this cup. And we'll shake that around. Alright, so first up for the Kachuk. First up for the Kachuk. That one will be heading to the Nashville Predators and Sean 1989-77. Next up, the Holland will be heading to the Carolina Hurricanes and Codfishy. And the Kubalik-Ellis rookie rivalry will be heading to the Anaheim Ducks and DJ and Ella Mom. So those are your short straw winners. And now we'll take a look at our roulette board. So these are the numbers that we have spun this break: 19, 27, and 2. So we'll take a look at the board and see if we've got anything here. 19, 27, so there's 27, there's 19, and 2. They're all blank. So what we'll do, we'll spin the wheel 3 more times to give you guys a shot at one of those cards. So here's our spin number 1. And that is going to be spot number 17. And 17 is blank. Spin number 2. Is spot number 3. And 3 is also blank. And last chance. That is going to stop on number, we got 2 again, so I'm going to spin it again. And 2 again, so I'm going to spin it again. I feel like there's some magnets in this plastic wheel. And that'll be number 9. And spot number 9 is also blank. So we're going to get shut out on the roulette board tonight. But fear not, because right up now is bingo. So here's our bingo board for those of you who have not seen yet or were with us last time. Excuse me. So we will pick 6 marbles from the cage and we will see if we can hit a bingo. And if not, then we'll carry the board over to next week. So we'll take 6 marbles out of the cage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Marble number 1 is going to be G46. And G46 is going to give us 1 on board 3. That creates another 5 in a row, or 4 in a row, up and down here. Marble number 2. That is B3. And B3 is going to give us a spot on board 2. Board 2 needs a love. Marble number 3 is B8. And B8 will give us a spot down in the corner on board 1 to create a 4 in a row. And it's also going to give us a spot on board 2 down in the corner. Number 4, this is I-19. I-19 is going to give us 1 on board 1, 1 on board 2, which gives us a 4 in a row, and on board 3. Next marble is N43. And N43 is going to give us nothing on 1, going to give us 1 on the bottom of 2. And that's it. And our last marble is I-23. And I-23 is going to give us a spot on 1. And that's it. So that is where we're going to stand with our bingo board. We are going to carry this over to next week. But we're looking pretty good. Board 1's got a 4 in a row. Board 2's got a 4 in a row. And board 3 has 2 4 in a row. So it's anybody's game right now to see who's going to get that first bingo. But that is 12-13 artifacts. So congrats to everybody who picked up something. And I hope to see you again next time.